Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to go over the trades that we took in the Discord as well as the plan going into tomorrow. So today, man, another really choppy day, but we were able to come out green. The system kept us out of the mess today with all the chop, and yeah, I'll show you what we took. So today, going into today, obviously the market was bullish. Why? Because when we go to the 30-minute chart here, we're crossed, and if we go here real quick, I know we have the 580s right now. This is pretty much the chart that you would have picked from Monday, and obviously we're crossed here, and that means the market is bullish. So 10's above the 50, 50's trending up. That means the market's bullish. We focus on the long side and take 0 DT cross on calls, negative cross on puts, things like that. So going into the open, this is what we looked like on the 0-day chart on the call side. 595 calls we had today. So right off of open, I usually don't trade. I wait like 15-20 minutes before taking anything. Right off of open, we open near this 50 SMA, which you could have maybe tried it, but first 10-15 minutes, I'm usually not trading. It's a little bit too volatile at open. So let the chart settle a little bit, and after we lost this 50 here, they went negative. This isn't a trade that you want to take because the market is bullish, and you want to be taking trades in the direction of the trend. So this trade didn't take. It's a no-go for me. But what we did take was this towards the end of the day. It took all day to find a good setup, and this is what we took. Gave this out to the Discord right here. So right here, the puts ended up getting this cross right here, and I didn't take this because the market's bullish, and also I might have said it in last night's video, but I did say if we did get a put cross, you could take it because there's room to the 50. But I mean, when I looked at the contracts for next week, because we are picking new contracts tomorrow since it's Friday, so new contracts most likely are going to be the either 600s or 595s. And when we look at this chart, I mean, we were getting pretty close to the 50 on the 30 minutes. So at this point, I was just like, okay, I'm just going to wait for the negative cross on puts to take a trade. And that ended up playing out perfectly, because if we go to the put chart right here, 5-minute time frame, we ended up getting this negative cross right here. Gave this out to the Discord. We went long on ES. I took ES because NQ was just a bit weaker on the day. So, ES was the stronger pair. Went with that because I'm going long. And yeah, the 10 went below the 50 here. And, I was in this trade for a little bit. I entered somewhere, I think, during this candle. It was a 35 candle. I think I called it out at, if I pull it back up, yeah, 36, 236, I went long, and that was on this candle right here. The 10 SMA was down super hard. 50's trending down. We broke the 50, so I gave it a go there. It pulled back up to my entry point. So if you missed that initial entry, you got another try right here. Pulled back into this 10/50 SMA area and provided a perfect entry. If you weren't already in it, it came pretty much. This trade went 1 point below my entry. That was the lowest the most I was down at any point. 1 point on ES, and then we were able to squeeze out 10 points on ES out of this trade. So I mean, it's very good setup. 10 points, I'll gladly take that on ES. I mean, that's plenty. Today was the last 2 days really have been a true test of patience. If you're new to trading or new to the system, it really probably tested your abilities, just because of the choppy action we've been getting, and just waiting for the right trade to come. So today you wanted to focus on the long side. This put cross right there, not a good trade to take because we are still trending on the 30-minute. So best thing you could do in that scenario, wait for the negative cross. I told Discord this. That's what I'm gonna be looking for, and we finally got it. We went long, got paid. Simple as that. We did shop a lot earlier in the day, as you can see. There was this chop all around this 50 SMA right here. If you wanted to, this first tap of the 50, you could have gave it a try at going long there. I know it provided some points. Definitely could have squeezed some out of it, just because we are trending, so less likely it does cross, and it could enter at the 50, stop loss closure above if you did want to take that. But this chop kind of kept us out of the market because there was obviously the cross on puts were not taken anyways. And then if you go back to the other chart on the call side, there was no cross here, so it pretty much kept us out of the market until we got that negative cross on the put side. So that's one good thing with the system. When the market's really choppy, a lot of the times we're not going to get a cross when we do chop. Obviously there's going to be times where we get a cross and it fails or something like that, and on a more choppier day, but a lot of time the market isn't going to move without you with the system because of how it's just designed. When we get a cross, we get the move. When there's no movement in the market, there's no crosses usually. So, that's the good thing about the system. You're always going to be able to capitalize on the big moves because, the way it's designed, you're going to be, most likely in the trade. So, yeah, that's what we did today. Going into tomorrow, obviously, market's still bullish. If we look at the 30-minute time frame, there's really nothing to be bearish about at the moment. Like, these charts right here are pretty bullish. The 50's trending up hard. On both the 600s and the 595s, depending on which one we get tomorrow. The overhead of resistance right now, I mean, we're dancing around this 1 hour 50 right here, and then the 2 hour, I'm pretty sure sloped down pretty hard. Yeah, 2 hours down a bit. But I mean, the major ones are the 4 hour, which is all the way up here. Daily time frame. I swear there was a daily 50, maybe not. Maybe it's on the 595s. But yeah, that 4 hour will definitely be an area of resistance if we make it there. But okay, I guess not. Maybe there's no daily. But yeah, tomorrow market's bullish. So what does that mean? What trades do we look for? Well, we're bullish. So negative cross on puts, obviously, just like today, that's what we took. Didn't take the cross on puts, we took the negative cross. 0 DT call cross, and then after the call cross, 50 SMA dips on the call side. Those are the trades you want to take. If for some reason the market like nosedives tomorrow and we lose the 30-minute 50 on the call side, then the market will eventually go neutral, and from there you'll be looking most likely at a call cross at that point. But for now, market's bullish, so that's gonna be our focus. Like I said, just went over the trades that you want to be taking tomorrow, so just be on the lookout for those. And we have a plan for both sides of the market. So this is a great thing about the system. You got a plan for both sides every day pretty much. So yeah, there's always something to capitalize on. More days some days more than others. But if you stay consistent with the system, trade it the right way, you will make money. It's as simple as that. And you just got to be in the right mindset, the right taking good trades. All that stuff is really important when trading the system. You could have the system, you could have it, but if you have the worst mindset, worst psychology, and you're over leveraging, you're just not going to do well. So hopefully we get a good trade tomorrow. But today I'll take it. 10 points on ES, can't complain at all. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got. If you guys want to learn, watch all the YouTube videos. If you guys want to follow along with the trades we take and just like the conversation throughout the day of what I'm looking for and things like that, the link to the private's down below. It's me and Colton, who is the founder of this trading strategy. So you get two of us in there for, it's like $70 a month. I mean, that's really cheap. You get two people, $70 a month. Some people individually charge way over 100. So in my opinion, very good deal. If you want to join and you're serious about learning, that is the place to be. And yeah, that's all I got. Join the course if you want to learn. I'm out. Peace.